The fascinating science of human hair. Have you ever wondered why we have hair on our heads but not on our palms? Or why some people can grow hair down to their knees, while others struggle with just a few inches? Well, stick around because in this video, we're diving deep into the science of human hair, how it grows, what it's made of, and why it doesn't decay easily. By the end of this video, you'll never look at your hair the same way again. Did you know how hair is formed? To understand hair, we need to go beneath the surface, literally. Hair is formed inside the hair follicle, a tiny structure embedded in our skin. At the very base of the follicle, there's a special area called the hair bulb, which contains living cells that divide and push upward. As these cells move up, they harden and die, forming what we recognize as hair. Yes, that's right. The hair you see and touch every day is actually made of dead cells. But don't worry, that's completely normal. If our hair were made of living cells, imagine how painful haircuts would be. Now here's a question for you. What's the longest hair ever recorded? A woman from China, Xie Cuping, holds the world record for the longest hair, measuring an astonishing 18 feet 5 inches, 5.6 meters. But for most people, hair grows to a maximum length of 2 to 6 feet, 60 centimeters to 110 centimeters, before falling out and starting over. This depends on something called the anagen phase, or the growth cycle of your hair, which varies from person to person. Wait a minute, did you know that not all hair is the same? The human body has two main types of hair. Number one, terminal hair. This is the thick, coarse hair found on the scalp, eyebrows, eyelashes, and other areas like the beard and armpits. Number two, vellus hair. This is the fine, soft hair that covers most of your body. It's sometimes called peach fuzz and is nearly invisible on some people. These different types of hair serve different functions, from protecting your scalp to regulating body temperature. Have you ever wondered why hair doesn't grow everywhere? Here's a fun question. Have you ever seen someone with hairy palms? Or a hairy tongue? No? Well, there's a reason for that. Hair doesn't grow in certain areas because of the absence of hair follicles. Places like the palms, soles of the feet, lips, and certain parts of the genitals simply don't have these tiny hair-producing structures. Another reason is evolution. Humans lost most of their body hair over time, as we adapted to wearing clothes and living in different climates. Did you know that, on average, hair grows about 0.5 inches, 1.25 centimeters per month, which adds up to 6 inches, 15 centimeters per year? But here's something interesting. Hair grows faster in the summer than in the winter. Why? Because warmer temperatures improve blood circulation, which helps hair follicles produce more cells. And if you're wondering why some people grow hair faster than others, it all comes down to genetics, diet, and overall health. Now let's break down the science of what hair is actually made of. The major component of hair is keratin, a strong protein that also makes up your nails and the outer layer of your skin. Hair also contains melanin, lipids, and water. Melanin determines your hair color. More melanin, darker hair. Less melanin, lighter hair. Lipids, oils, keep your hair flexible and shiny. Lastly, hair contains a small amount of water to stay hydrated. Here's a mystery. Why does hair last for centuries when everything else decomposes? The answer lies in keratin. Keratin is incredibly strong and resistant to bacteria, fungi, and even most acids. This is why hair can be found in ancient tombs, on mummies, and even in fossils. If you've ever heard the myth that hair and nails keep growing after death, that's false. It only looks that way because the skin shrinks, making the hair appear longer. And that's the fascinating science of human hair. So next time you comb your hair, just remember, you're handling a tiny miracle of biology. Did you learn something new today? Let us know in the comments. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. Thank you.